Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all well, and I'm going to tell you a bit today about TRON TRX, and that's a project that solicits a lot of emotion, so let's get right to it. The TRON founder and CEO Justin Sun has a very active presence on the social media and is known for his flamboyant promotion of TRON and his products such as BitTorrent and TRX TRON coin, TRON wallet, and the blockchain blogging platform Steam on June 2019. Justin said Justin Sun placed a record-breaking $4.6 million bid to have lunch with Warren Buffett, which immediately put TRON into the spotlight. And January 23rd, 2020, Justin Sun and well-known Litecoin founder Charlie Lee had their $4.6 million dinner with Berkshire Hathaway's billionaire boss. That's an expensive dinner. What's the most you've ever spent on a meal with anyone? If somebody watching this video has spent more than $1 million on a single meal, please invite me next time and leave a comment because I'll be sure to get back to you. Anyways, enough about Justin, and no matter what you think of Justin Sun's strong influence only continues to grow. So let's dive into TRON and the TRON coin TRX TRON. They have some ambitious plans to create a decentralized internet and a platform for smart contracts and decentralized apps. So it's no secret that TRON intends to compete against Ethereum TRON TRX. It is a proof of stake cryptocurrency that powers the TRON blockchain network. It's a censorship resistant digital currency that acts as a medium of exchange and can be sent or received by anyone in the world who has a TRX TRON wallet, because TRX is a proof of stake coin. So there are certain rights and privileges that one has for holding and stacking the TRX. It gives its holders voting rights in TRON elections, which means they have a voice in TRON's governance. So TRX is also used by content and app developers to create their own tokens on the TRON network, and these tokens can be used for apps and interact with smart contracts. And if you're familiar with Ethereum, it's really not that much different than the power to create utility ERC20 tokens like Chainlink and USDT on the TRON network. So these types of custom tokens are called TRC10, TRC20. Each has its own feature and advantages. A great example of the TRX TRC10 is the BitTorrent token, or the BBT, otherwise known as BBT TRX. So their holders benefit by receiving free BBT airdrops based on the amount of TRX they hold, and the BTT is automatically deposited into their TRON wallet address on the 11th of every month until 2025. Much like Ethereum, TRON always allows developers to build decentralized applications that can run on smart contracts, and while Ethereum is more popular than TRON as a smart contract platform, TRON boasts the impressive features when it contrasts to Ethereum 25 transactions per second limit. TRON can also produce 3 blocks per second compared to Ethereum's block producing time of 15 seconds. And because TRON supports a variety of programming languages like Java and Python, it has the potential to attract a much larger pool of developers. This is great because it means more developers have the option of building their application on the TRON blockchain. Ethereum's primary language is Solidity, which is a relatively new programming language that isn't as popular as the others. So let's take a look at the non-technical side of TRON and TRON's business. Remember, TRON wants to build a decentralized internet, and they took a considerable step in the direction of July of 2018 with their huge acquisition of BitTorrent, an early mover and the larger player in the decentralized computing architecture. So many of us know BitTorrent as a peer-to-peer or P2P file sharing protocol used for data and file distribution over the internet. BitTorrent has over 100 million users and at one point accounted for nearly 30% of all internet traffic. While the cost of BitTorrent acquisition was not shared, leaks reports put the price tag between $126 to $140 million, way more expensive than the launch with Warren Buffett and more recently in February 14, 2020. So just over 1 year ago, TRON accounted it had acquired Steemit, a decentralized verified social media platform with over 10,000 daily active users. One of Tron's all the partnerships is with O-Bike, the largest bike sharing company in Southeast Asia. Or Bike used Tron to launch its own Tron-based token. Ocoin bike users can use Ocoin to pay for rides. Yeah, but we can actually check out Trixig. Trixig is basically also a Tron project. But before we can discover, we of course need to sign up. So just click sign up and put all the details that you need: mobile number, login password, security password, invite code, and attach. And then you just click sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and register and log in, and I'm going to see you in a minute. A few words what Trixig is. Well, it's a farm yielding protocol where you can earn percentages daily. So you can earn 10 on each person that uses it, and 4% and 2% if the person invites another. So recommended top up to get a rich rewards differs a bit, because every time you deposit your level 1, you can get 10% commission, and you can get 4% commission every time your level 2 is deposited, and every time your level 3 is deposited you get 2% commission, and the commission can be withdrawn immediately and indefinitely. So that's absolutely fantastic. What is it all about, these levels, you might ask? So this is how the levels are put: level 1, level 2, level 3, and that's basically what I have been saying about the different percentages you are getting. So here's a QR code which you can share. You're gonna have it on the share in here. And there's also the link that I'm going to leave in the description for you. So if you would like to register to Trixig, make sure to do that from my link, and that way I will earn commission. And if you deposit, you will be my level 1 from my team. And then if you share yours with someone else, and that someone registers from your link and they will deposit, they will be my level 2, and so on to the level 3. So this is basically, you can build a net of income, and that's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, but you can increase your base account from 5 TRX to 40,000 TRX, and then you can withdraw 2.5% per day, and that is how it works. We can check it out on the withdrawal, and we have the daily limit in here. And if you get between 40,000 and 1 to 200,000 TRX on your account, you get 3.5% daily. 200,000 and 1 TRX to 500,000, you get 4% out daily, and then with 500,001 TRX to 1 million TRX, you get 6%. Top up over 1.01 million TRX, and then you can get 8% per day out. And the higher the deposit, the higher the rate of return. Of course, this is just like a stable income for a lifetime. So you just put an amount of TRX until you can withdraw that 5% daily, and that should cover all your daily expenses and whatnot. So in order to withdraw, you just click choose your account. It's either main or promotional, and put the amount in here, as well as a TRX account that you would like to send it to. It starts with a T, of course, and then your password, and you can click confirm straight away. Right, but we can get back to our home and check the common problem, for example, in the latest announcement, but also some information about some updates in here. But yeah, in order to deposit, just go ahead and click deposit. You choose the account that you would like to use. Let's go ahead and choose the investment account. And then you just send the amount of TRX you would like to deposit in here, and that will deposit it automatically, which is really fantastic. So I will deposit 100 TRX to my wallet, to my account, and that should be back with me within 5 to 10 minutes, and the minimum investment is 5 TRX in order to activate it. It takes 5 to 10 minutes after charging, and that is super simple. There's an app right here that you can download. The share button, of course, will contain your link, your referral link, and you can also log out through here. We also right underneath have the wallet account balance and the promotion account balance, so you can see them in here. You straight away get 1000 TRX just for registering. You have an agency line on your own. So for users who come in through my link, I will get 10% commission of whatever you are getting. That's why it's extremely important for me that you guys go ahead and register from my link. That's a great way to support the channel. So if you'd like to do that, you could do that through that way. I'm going to leave that link in the description. You can also join to be a TRON millionaire. So use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. Really great, and we can just go a bit further. Click into the details and we can see the 5% cloud mining is working, and we can get 50 TRX straight away that we can receive into our account, and you can come back here daily and get that bit, that 5% every single day. So in my case is of course 50 TRX, but it's still something, it's still quite great. Yeah, and then we can go further and see some of the data about the platform, and as you can see, that does raise all the time. That's the accumulated profit. It just keeps raising, and the amount of memberships is almost 1 million now. And about them, well, cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way for mining for Bitcoin TRX and other cryptocurrencies. So at the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income just like insurance. So we of course have some global partners like WazirX, Bitmain, CoinDCX, Binance, and more. So that is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, we can also click here into invest, and we have the different ways of investing we can achieve with TRX. So here all of them are TRX, and you can see the different cycles and the different daily rates you can get out of it, or we can also deposit into one of our accounts. But there's also the invested list, so what we have on us, that is super great. They have put that in here just to keep track of everything. So just before we finish, let's get again into our notifications and see the revenue and promotions. So there's some quite interesting links in here, like the legal document and the company certificate. But not only that, we have the only official link, the Telegram group, which is an important bit. And we can also check the official staff customer service and WhatsApp. And yeah, so you have basically all the information about the project right in here. And that can give you basically like a short version of what I have been telling you today. So if you still are a bit iffy, you can go ahead and check it out in here. So let's check out some of these documents now. Starting with the company certificate right in here, as you guys can see, everything is being here by the New Zealand Minister of Law and Human Rights Order. We have all that needs to be in a document like this, but not only that, we also have a light paper, so the most important information put into one place for the project. And that's really important. If you'd like to know a bit more about the project itself, make sure to go ahead and check it out. Their mission is to create a new asset management paradigm as in TRON platform. TRX.com is the connection between the real world assets allocation needs and the crypto world, and as a user you can embrace the infinite possibilities of crypto assets by integrating with TRX ecosystem. The vision is to become the world's most influential decentralized crypto asset management platform, enabling everyone's assets management with crypto asset portfolio. Yeah, so you have literally everything you need to know about the project, so make sure to go ahead and go through some of the more interesting features for you. But yeah, and my balance has updated. I got that 100 TRX that I have sent. That is why we're going to go ahead and quickly withdraw. It does take just a minute to do that, but we can get 2.5% out. So that is how much we are going to put. You just put 2.5 TRX right in here, and here put in your TRX address. And just like that, that amount will be sent to us. Here you put your secret password that you have set at the very beginning, and you can click confirm. And that already deduced that 2.5 TRX that was going to be added to my account, but you can keep coming to it daily and withdraw that percentage out, and that can come in quite in handy. But yeah, that was basically Trixic. So we're going to wrap it up in here. Bear in mind that personally I'm not a financial advisor of any sort, so all the investing you are doing is at your own risk. Please be smart and responsible about your funds, and also to let me know what you think about Trixic. I think it's a great idea to put in like an insurance. You can just put enough money to have for your basic daily needs, and that way you are safe and secured. But yeah, if you like the video, please hit the like button, also subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye!